Now, how can you install a voice changer on the iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe for tutorials like these in the future as well. So on the iPad, you just have to look up the App Store, and there are in fact plenty of different voice changers which you can explore for your device. So you can literally just type that in, and there are going to be plenty of them, as I say, but mostly they get the job done. It's not really that difficult to create that like application and whatnot. But when you get inside of the app, like a voice changer, any of those, they all work kind of the same, where you can either record your voice, video, or do something else. Probably gonna be containing some ads as well. You should probably count with that too. But once you just go through all of these setup, you'll be able to record your voice and then select a different sound effect to change it to something else, right? I don't know. There are like wind sound effects and whatever. It depends on the app. But this is generally how you can do this. As I say, plenty of other options. So you just have to find the one which suits your needs the best. But using the built-in solution, it just doesn't work. So a third-party app like this is required. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.